Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing. Oh, hey guys. Okay. What is going on here? I'm getting beeps in my brain. I think I got too much echo going on here because I'm watching myself on the stream, so I'm going to turn that window off. Maybe that'll fix it. And it did not. I'm just getting like this beep, 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 beep. Stop it. What is that? What does it say? Stream health. Excellent connection. So that's good. The stream is live. Oh, I don't know what that noise is. Oh, okay, I gotta just like shut everything down here. Oh, no, that didn't work either. I have to shut that down. Hello? What is that noise? Anyway, God, I gotta apologize, guys. This is how technology works. Excellent connection. Somebody came on and now they're gone. What is that? My audio? Oh, I know what that was. That was my hard drive. Okay. Wow. That's how it works. You got everything connected at the same time. Okay, so guys, hey, what's up? No one's in here anyway, so I'm basically talking to myself, but we are live. And we're going to do some Memecoin trading if possible. I'm actually just getting my stuff transferred right now, but I've been on a hiatus for a while, and I'm back, and we are back in business. And I wanted to just do some sharing, exploration, look at coins, reviews, see the state of the market. We've missed a lot of huge craziness. I mean, I hope some of you guys haven't. I mean, I wasn't in on Peanut. I wasn't in on the Department of Government Efficiency. But yeah, there's a lot of volume and a lot of action happening. Crazy prints. I've been publishing a few videos that have been pretty successful. People are looking for Memecoin calls. They're looking for, hey, what's up, bro? I guess you're the only one in here. Hey, brother. So, I'm kind of just going to share what my new sort of technique is, I guess you might say, and how I'm looking for coins and the coins I'm watching, the technique. I mean, what I'm finding is that this is very, very risky business right now, but at the same time, lots of money can be made, and fast money, slow money, patient money, impatient money. There's just like money everywhere. And I'm just getting back out there, getting back in here. And so welcome to everybody and anybody that's tuning in. I don't know. I guess a lot of people are, it's in other places. But I'm just going to start looking at coins. Okay, so these are some of the coins that I've been bookmarking. Like, look at this one, Rifampicin. I saw this last night. It was, I don't even know how I found it. It was through a call channel, I believe. But I mean, look at the volume that came in. This was at 3.6 million, and it just like ramped basically 20x to like 70 million. And I was seeing it here, and then I had to sleep. But I knew it was going to drop, and I wanted to hang on and watch. And because after like a huge pump like this, there's usually a pretty sharp sell-off, and then you get a pretty good bounce. If it's like a really strongly promoted and supported coin, like the price is going to be supported, then you usually get a. But look at this. As I thought, it came down to 16 million, and then boosh went up to 60 million. So that's like a 4x. Here, what's my recommendation on this? I would not be buying here because these are all topping tails up here. I mean, and this is basically being promoted, obviously, by some callers, some kind of a big cabal. But yeah, that's one of them. And it was on, this is like the new one, what, Pump? Science. It's like hilarious. That's the new domain they got for this. Very creative. Pump.science. Probably paid like nothing for that. But look at this. Look at these coins that they're promoting. So this is really, I mean, here's some alpha right here. Pump.science. Really interesting because like huge volume. This is obviously some kind of a major cabal that's doing this. I mean, I don't know if you call it a cabal, but they got big wallets, big money to create this kind of huge bloody price increase in volume. They have to have a lot of money, and they'll usually want to support that with big calls so they can pay for big calls, or they have big channels and they have money. That's exciting. That's really kind of what we're looking for. And if you can find this around here, obviously, you know, and you place your bet, and then God help you, it happens. So that's one that I found, this pump.science, and it's about, see, this one's a cheaper one. They seem to be getting cheaper as they go, but you look at this, and I mean, the metaphor here is they're testing with AI on virtual disease organisms or something. I don't know. It's some bullshit, but it's a cool metaphor. Urolithin A. So this is on pump.science. And yeah, if you want to see this, I don't even know how to get to it. Maybe you click there, trading view. No. GLP. Okay, so trade on pump.fun. So look at this one. I mean, I'm not recommending this. I'm doing this live stream just to explore, to see what's up. So yeah, you look at the, yeah, it's already at 14 million, this one. But this is an example, another example from pump.site. So it's at half a penny right now, GLP. And let's just look at it to see what, because we want to buy like a trough on a dip. And I prefer to do that on a fresh coin. Hey, guys. Hey, newcomers in the chat. We got 3 concurrent live in the chat. That's good to see. We're just checking out pump.science right now. And it's a new thing I discovered last night with crazy, like, huge market cap coins with big volume. And I'm trying to get this chart up. I don't know. The internet is slow. All the sites are slow. Solana is slow. I've got a high-speed connection, so my connection shouldn't be slow. I don't know how the volume is. How's the volume? Can you guys hear me? By the way, we started a new cabal, Octagon. Oh, yeah. So here it is. This is the chart. And, oh, man, so slow. Everything's slow. Maybe it's my computer. But, yeah, I'm going to pin this message up top. Should be able, yeah. So if you want to join the Octagon Cabal, there's a link above, and we're going to be doing, yeah, a meme coin. We're getting people on board. This is it, the Octagon Cabal. We're up to 62 members already, and we're going to have a referral contest. We got a referral program, so you can generate your link. You just click my link or / my link. That's the command, and you get your own dedicated referral link, and then you can track your score. So you click my score, or you go / my score. And so I've referred 51 already. You know, I'm usually the top performer in my groups. Fun, but plus this time we have a leaderboard, and check this out. So you can see the leaderboard. Now I'm going to have a contest, and we're going to be giving away most likely Sol prizes in Sol, and also early access So if you want to get early access to the picks, 3 referrals, and you qualify for the early access group. Welcome, guys. Good to see you. Hey, man, check out the TG. It's strange. FYI, I don't know. Hey, bro. Which ticker are you talking about? Are you talking about? Oh yeah, check out their TG. Anyway, so that's the promotion for Octagon Cabal, and that's up there. So check it out if you want. Come join. It's gonna be fun. We're just getting talking about that science token. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, bro. Yeah. Let's go back to that science token. So this GLP. Yeah. This one. Wow. Hey. I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna go. Like, look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this price support on this rifampicin. Like, it's up to 59 million, and they're supporting it. So, yeah, big wallets, long-term players, long-term cabal. Oh, that's not it. GLP. Let's see if I can find GLP. That's the new one, GLP1. I want to make sure I get the right one. This is supposed to be click for the contract. And, but, oh, there it is. Okay. GLP. So I guess this is it here. Yeah, 1.2 mil. So let's look at this. What do you guys think? Because that right there is, this could be a good entry on GLP. But yeah, let's check it out. So this is just a raw, like it doesn't even have a banner, and it doesn't have, that'd be high. That'd be pretty highly risky. I don't know. What do you guys think? But this is from Pump Science, the GLP1, and it's at 5 million market cap. Like that's pretty risky. Oh, it's no, now it's at 748,000. But yeah, if you had caught this first dump at 2.76 million, you got a big spike all the way up to 17 million, but it was sharply rejected. So, I mean, this is pretty tricky trading. I don't know if I would get involved in this one. I mean, yeah, look at these. So this is all like machine traded, bot traded, 846,000. Highly risky, highly unpredictable. But yeah, you can see they got a volume bot engaged because you're seeing like prints, group of prints, you know, big wallets. Look at that, 87 SOL buy, crazy. Yeah, so big money players, big cabal in this one. If you guys have any tickers, go ahead and drop them in the chat. I'll take a look at them. But I'm just exploring right now. So let's look at my watch list, because what I've been doing is basically joining some of the call channels. Solana Top Calls. This one follows some of the best callers. Laugh Out Loud Calls, Ink Bruiser, Genie, Solstice, Mr. Punk. It's kind of a Solana caller cabal channel, so it's pretty cool because you see some fresh stuff printed in here. And I also like LOL Calls. He's pretty big. I've been trying to, you know, he gets these like 4x's, 5x's. He got in like an 87x on Zarabro or something. But it's just like, okay, how can I get in on this as soon as he does it, right? You know, not after it's gone up 87x. That's not when we want to buy. We don't want to be exit liquidity. So this is a game I'm playing. Researching. Yeah, Dev just selling now. Yeah, exactly. I'm talking about that science token. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, but see right here, this one kind of looks like this could be a good entry, because this thing, like, it looks like, oh, it'll go to here, but then all of a sudden, like, oh, there's like a 3x here if it comes back up to try to like hit here. You know, this could be a really nimble trade, because it's pretty fresh too. I mean, this is very, I mean, I don't know. Should I buy some of this? Yeah, I'm going to, you know, just for shits and gigs, actually. Oh no, my transfer hasn't gone through. But yeah, see, I would probably buy a small bag of this GLP. Just, I mean, if you want to do this type of trading, because I think that they're probably it's probably going to bounce up to here. And who knows, it could even bounce up to 6 mil. I mean, who knows? They could send this up to 50 mil from here. We just never know what their intentions are, how much they want to pump it. But I think is probably a decent entry on this. But don't quote me. This could go down to 100K from here, and then it pumps. Like this stuff is totally unpredictable, as we know. But yeah, so there's some alpha there. I'm gonna follow this. I'm gonna add this to the watch list. We'll come back to it. But yeah, let's look at some big coins like Michi. Crazy. I mean, how do you make money on these ones? These ones are like long-term follows, on your watch list. They should be. I mean, if you like them. I never bought Michi. I never ever bought Michi. I followed it. But if you follow these things for months and months and months, and you see like this pattern, and it just goes down, and then like what kind of retracement? Okay, so 355 million was the peak, the first peak, like in its first 2 months, I guess, or month, and it went down to 444 million. So that's almost like an 80% retracement, and then you get that huge bounce, 44 up to 172. That's like a 4x, and then another one, and then a 4x. So you can trade this, and it's almost at like recent highs. So that's crazy. Mini is another one like that. Like you could have caught multiple entries on this one, and like this 2 million especially would have been really nice if you were following it. But this is long-term trading, and I'm kind of like, wanting to prefer to get into this, like more established coins with, they're going to be around in a year or 6 months. They've sort of proven themselves, and the community's proven themselves, and the team or the backers, the financiers, the wash traders, the cabal that's running it has proven that they're gonna keep pumping it, keep promoting it again and again. But do I buy here? No, because this pattern is like, okay, it comes down. It's like it's like huge pump and then dribble down, and then huge pump and then dribble down. So I think it's going to come all the way back down to like 19 million, maybe even 12 million, maybe even, 6 million range. But that would be out here. And if it ever does, like I'd say around 10 million, 12 million, that's when you'd probably want to pick up a bag if you believe that they could take this to 150 million, right? Price is another one. My friend, Crypto Actor, actually sent me onto this. Now, I have not bought it. I don't really understand it. I don't get it. But he's in lots of alpha groups, the Wolves DAO, and he mentioned this one, Priced. It's kind of like a satanic theme almost, which I don't like. I don't know. I just watch too many of these satanic, dark videos online. And it used to be like, but now it's like, okay, these people are actually like murdering and torturing. And I don't know. It just gives me bad vibes, this stuff. I don't think it's funny. I don't know. That's just a thing. Like, it's a taste thing for me. Like, I wouldn't want to get in on a long-term thing with this just because I just look at it and I'm like, it's not, the fact is I know that there is a reality behind those cults that I don't like. So, but anyway, it is on my watch list just for curiosity because my friend did mention it. Hey guys, welcome. Good to see. All right, we got 7 in the channel. Say hi if you want to. Much love, people. By the way, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm almost monetized. Yeah, I couldn't buy stuff like that. Yeah, right on. Yeah, exactly, right? I don't know, not anymore. I used to think, oh yeah, Satan. I mean, the whole devil, Satan bullshit is, in my mind, these are just symbols, and these are just like fairy tales, and people, human beings just do this. Oh, the devil's coming. Like, I mean, the devil, there's psychos out there. Those are the devils, and there's demonic sides in all of us. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I saw Cthulhu today. Similar stuff. Nice. Yeah, Cthulhu. I haven't seen that one. But yeah, I just want to give you a quick update that we've been getting some more traffic, and I'm almost monetized on the channel. So I will be able to have super chat and memberships. I don't know how that's going to take place and what I can do, but I will become more active as a result, and I want to kind of form and create content that is going to be valuable to everybody. So thank you for following, subscribing, and participating. just to let you guys know if you haven't already, subscribe. And yeah, let's make some stuff happen. I'd like to do reviews and, you know, just share alpha. No one knows it all. So, okay, let's look at, I mean, Peanut, this was another one. I actually called it out in a video recently. And as a matter of fact, I called it out right around here. I just said, oh, this is probably a good one. And lo and behold, it did. It went up to 20 million, and I was calling it here. So that was a 10x. It wasn't a formal call. But this is another one that's interesting. Gummy is one that I saw a long time ago. I'll check out Cthulhu too, by the way. Thanks for saying that, Gary. And Gummy is one that I never bought, but I was like, what the hell is this thing? It came out of nowhere. It went to 200 million. It's a gummy bear. It's what do they call them? THC gummies. It's cool. I mean, high-end stuff. I guess it's cabal, whatever that means. But look, it's just flatlined. Are they going to pump this ever again? Is this going to ramp? Kind of feel like it will. This is one of these ones that it's going to come out of nowhere, just like Roaring Kitty did. Like, everyone forgot it. And look, this accumulation, it's still active. So you got to kind of look at the Telegram. Yeah, let's just do it quick. I'll do it quick. And let's just see how many are in there. Wow, there's like 12,000. Yeah, it's probably huge. Join. So yeah, 13,000 in here. That's pretty crazy. So this is probably going to pump at some point. This would be one where you want to put your 50 bucks on, your 100 bucks or whatever, your maybe half a soul. Don't go overboard, in my opinion, because they probably want to shake people out that are, you know, like, oh, putting in $2,000 like 5 soul. So I would just say, like, don't spook it, you know, put in your whatever position, 0.5, 1 soul maybe, up to 1 soul, because I think at some point it's going to have a big pump. That's just my general thing on Gummy. This is another one, HEGE, hedge coin. I saw, like, this thing seems to have like really big rippy pumps, so it's still on an uptrend on this. I don't know who's running it, but they do have an active community, and you know, I mean, it's sort of an established coin, the hedge fund, and this could be a good entry here. You know, at some point they'll probably have a nice rip up to 28, so this could be a 3, 4, 5x hedge coin. Baby Fred is another one that I saw. This is kind of like cheaper. Not exactly sure much about this. I just bookmarked this stuff and follow. See, this is the type of pattern I like to see. You know, it's flatlining, because then you're going to get a pump at some point. So that's an idea. Doge obviously it exploded, but will it explode again? Yeah, probably. I mean, it looks like we're getting a floor here. I don't know how much it will explode. You know, I kind of wonder, like, can now that Elon and Vivek Ramaswamy are supposed to be working for the government, I mean, can he be, like, promoting crypto on Twitter? I mean, I guess it's free market. Hey, welcome, guys. We got 9 viewers on here. That's awesome. Good to see everybody. Thanks for joining. Put your comments and your tickers, questions, whatever you like below. So that's really cool. So you can see here, we got 10 concurrent viewers. This is awesome. And yeah, we're just going through some tickers. Shrub was another one. This one, a YouTube caller was talking about it. Kind of high priced. Wouldn't want to enter on that type of pattern. Look at this one, A1 AI16Z. I guess this is like an agent one. But, you know, so solid. I mean, 346 million, really solid. Cat Dog was another one that this guy mentioned. And this one is kind of like the pattern I find interesting, because look at how high it went, 109 million, you know, sort of like 80 million range. And what's it at now? 2.49 million. So this could Geez, this could 10x to 20 million easily, in my opinion. This could 20x. I personally don't really love the meme. The cat dog, it's kind of weird. It's kind of cheesy. It's like a dog and a cat. But whatever, it's on my list and I'm watching it. And what else we got here? I'll just do another couple quick ones. And Naked Gym, I don't know where I found that. FTJ 500. I think this is kind of a thinly traded one, and I think it was probably one that's launched by that guy, that analyst I saw. He's an East Indian guy, but he's pretty smart. Solido, I saw. I think Cat Dog rugged. Yeah, it did. It did. It definitely did rug. But is it dead? That's the thing. Like, will they come back? It's like Gummy. Well, is it dead? I mean, it's at 9 million Gummy, I believe, or 7 million. And then it's like everyone forgets about these things. And then they just explode. It'll be like, oh, Gummy's up to 100 mil. And everyone's like, damn. And then they buy at 100 mil and it goes to 160. So you get your 60%. And then it just starts degrading just like this again. So that's not how you do this. This is like a sleeper play. It's a long-term hold. Okay, KZI, let's check that out. KZI, let's see. Sounds interesting. I guess this is it here. KZI on Sol. Oh. I'm watching the creamy launch right now on Sol. Oh, wow. This is really fresh. Oh, yeah. Really fresh and ugly. But 4,000. Creamy is creamy. I'm watching the... What's the symbol for creamy, Gary? I'm in pretty deep in Aurora. I'm scared. Oh, okay. Let's check out Aurora. Yeah, this one looks kind of dead. I don't know what's going on with KZI. Kind of dead, kind of scary. Very cheap. Well, it's not totally dead. There's more selling. Did you buy Lester? I didn't buy Lester. No, I did not buy Lester. Creamy. Is that on pump.fun, Gary? I don't know if has it bonded? Creamy? Oh, this is base. Oh, creamy. Yeah, I know this one. Oh, that's another one. Let's see this. Okay, that's pretty fresh. 1 minute. That's like 4 minutes old. 110. Oh, this could be interesting. I don't like these top wicks, but, volume bots kind of create those too. Creamy, creamy, creamy. Yeah, nice. This is it, right? Yeah, see, this actually could be good because it's fairly cheap. I don't know anything about it. 115. Yeah, exactly. That's right, Gary. This could be a good one. But I don't know anything about it. Let's see how many people they got. Yep, bonded. Okay, so this is a CTO or something. Tap to verify. Let's check it out. Verify. I just want to see if they got... I just want to see what they got. 42 members, so that's kind of small. I'll see if there's actually... Where's this creamy? Yeah, it doesn't seem like they're doing voice calls. So I don't know. That would be like, okay, this thing might go if they got money to buy it and push it and make calls. But yeah, it looks like there's buying happening. So this could actually be at the initial on the pump. It could be a good gamble. I mean, it looks like it is a good gamble. It is going up. It's so fresh. Wow, nice one. I don't know, KZL. Check the CA I posted. I didn't see it. I don't see I looked at KZI, my friend. But let's just stay on target on this creamy because, yeah, this is pumping. Creamy is pumping. I'll see if I can actually buy some of this. Available balance. See, I need to buy Solana right now. So I'm just doing that in the background. And then, oh, it's dumping. But that's okay, not that much. Okay. Yeah, this creamy could be sort of I don't yeah. It is what it is, creamy. KZI, man. I mean, KZL. Oh, KZL. Okay, KZL. I'll open another window in this KZL, and then just want to go back to this GLP. I know I'm all over the map, but DEX, KZL. You never want to miss a pump. KZL. This one, KZL. 9 million. Okay, so that looks like it's kind of consolidating sideways. It's not. Oh, yeah. How old is it? Basically, it's in its first day, and we're at 9 million. Yeah, sort of looks like it's in the middle of this channel. Don't know how to feel about KZL. Would have to look more into it, but Creamy is going. So if you guys are in, if you bought Creamy, this could be good. Who knows? This could go to one never knows. 250K, 500K, a milli. It might take a day to go to a milli. That's how. I mean, how did you hear, Gary? How did you hear? Their X has 16,000. Wow. Yeah, you know nothing about it exactly. How much money do you throw at a fucking worthless meme coin investment that you know nothing about? That's the thing. Oh, look at that. See? So you're getting some cells. Wow. Creamy, creamy. What do we do with it? So I have some Solana now. Yeah, I mean, I'm glad you guys are here. Thanks for joining, by the way. This is awesome. Really enjoying it. Our average view duration is 7 minutes, so I managed to hold your attention for 7 minutes, which is good. It's going to help my channel get monetized. Yeah. And then we can do some pumps and some promos, do it all. If you haven't joined the Octagon, this is a new group that we got, and we got a referral program, and we're going to have contests, and we're going to do meme coins and CTOs and pumps and promos. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. So far, people are liking it. And so it's evolving. If you know anything about Telegram, or if you want to get involved, or if you want to just join my cult, join a new cult. Not necessarily mine, because everyone's already in it, and so we're all a big group. But that's at the top. It's pinned in the comments. But yeah, you can see that you can, with the command mylink, you get your own tracking link. And then here it is. This is the tracking link. And then you can also track your score to see how many people you referred. And we're going to have an announcement. So I've referred 51 in there. And then there's actually, this is a new thing. We got a leaderboard too. Leaderboard. So yeah, you can see we track the leaderboard. So we're going to have early access to pumps. Plus we're also going to have some prizes and giveaways in there. So yeah, go ahead and join if you want to join. And we can connect and do some more. Lafamaya, 0.05 Sol. I just like their X. So you bought that? You bought some of that Creamy? Let's go back to Creamy. Wow, look at that, man. Creamy's going. Dude, fuck, we should be in Creamy. I don't know. Do we buy Creamy? You guys check it out. I'm not promoting. I am not affiliated with Creamy at all. But it is. Thank you to Gary for bringing it up, because this is a great example. It's pretty early. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles, so 10 minutes old. And yeah, they got a banner and they got a Twitter. This could be, I mean, what's the volume at? 310,000 volume. Yeah, it could be good for a punt. Like we were already talking about it at 120,000, so you could have almost made a double on Gary's call there. On Creamy. Interesting. Yeah, very interesting. How high will Creamy go? That's the question. Yeah. So yeah, there's kind of some stuff that I've been looking at. I don't know if you guys have any other symbols. I'm just going to, we'll just leave this creamy on here. I don't know. And I'm just going to take a quick break. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Thanks for joining. Drop the link in your rooms. Share the live stream. This is a link to the live stream. If you want to share it or tweet it out or put it in rooms or I don't know what you want to do with it. Put some comments below and, you know, add your tickers. I can't get your safeguard to give the link. Oh, are you talking about for, I don't know which group it's for, Gary. You're talking about the Octagon or pump.fun? Could be, if you were in pump.fun, this does not have a referral program anymore, I don't believe. No, I think I took it off this one. Actually costs money per message. Yeah, it's not on this one, but the Octagon has it. And yeah, so you join the Octagon, and this is a referral link here. But you have to, anyway, so yeah, if you follow that link, you should be able to get access to join this group. I don't know which group you're talking about, Gary, but okay, so I'm going to be back in like 2 minutes, but Creamy's doing well. Kudos to you, Gary. This one seems to be a minor sender. Okay, never mind. Sent the request right on. This one seems to be a minor sender, and it's so fresh. Like we just don't know how far this could go. So that's kind of my commentary on that. GLP, this is another one that I'm like really curious about. This is one of those pump.science ones. And like this could be like the bottom. Let's look at the M cap here. Yeah, so it's at 294,000 and it peaked up to 55 million, like crazy, in 45 minutes. So this is like an insane, like this could be a good entry on this GLP, but huge topping tails. God, this is just like insane ranges, huge topping tails. See, for a gamble, I think this GLP could be a good punt. Know nothing about it. One of these weird pump.science ones. KZL, yeah, that's just sort of like floating. But Creamy, we got some big candle dumps in here. So that's a big warning sign. Now, if this comes down to, let's say, 50,000, could jump. You can get, I mean, actually, it's not too bad. I mean, this could just like keep sending all the way up to who knows where. So Creamy is interesting. But I will be back in 1 sec, guys. Maybe a few minutes. And yeah, maybe what I'll do is I'll just leave it on here and you can see what's going on Deck Screener. If we sort by age, so you can see 8 months, 1 hour, new pairs. Yeah, Creamy is right there. Actually, yeah. See, that's fresh, man. Creamy could be a good one. It could be the play of the day. Okay, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. Just had to have a quick cigarette. Have to have a quick cigarette. Ugh. Okay, let's look creamy. 152,000 betch. Let's look at this betch. 920,000. TP nut. Trump nut. Trump peanut. That's a good name. That's on trend. Let's just look. We're just kind of surfing here. I'm not buying. My new thing is just want to like witness the markets, study the markets, look at it. And see, I kind of like this chart. Could go either way. But yeah, I'll keep working through my watch list here and see if there's anything green. Wow, Wally. What happened to Wally? Very little liquidity. Yeah, that's not good. Zarabro, that was a ripper. Crazy ripper. Crazy. Wouldn't be buying it here. Riff. I believe Riff is one of those pump.science. Yeah, Riff Ampson. Holding steady at 60 milli. GLP, I think. Yeah, look at that. There's a floor. I mean, you could say that's a rug, but it's still at 220. So this could be interesting too for possible pumps, long-term holds, if you like that strategy. When I've kind of analyzed like my trades, and short-term trading can be a rush and highly profitable. And if you can get that timing, I would say if you get one of those, creamy dumped. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, so a dump on creamy could be okay because you can get that bounce. Like, just watch. Let's see if we can find the floor on creamy. But like I was saying, like, I made money on ones that I bought and then held for months, like Litecoin, Bitcoin, obviously, long time in the day. Chaincoin, long time ago, I bought that and I held it for like 6 months and it just fucking exploded. So sometimes that's a good strategy as well, but that's where like really getting involved in the research and looking at it. That's where you're going to actually get what all these YouTubers and promos are promising. Like, oh, I turned $200 into $5,000. That's how you get it, in my opinion, unless you're super fast and you can get it like straight out of the gate and you're in the right one. But there's so many of these things, it's not easy. Anyway, so there's GLP. Let's look at, yeah, GLP, I believe, is one of those science ones. Yeah, not recommending any of these. But, yeah, I'm going to get back to, oh, we got some on this Top Calls channel. Achievement unlocked. Yeah, so this guy, Bruiser's Gambles, 50x. But it's already happened. Went from 202. So, you know, you follow Bruiser's Gambles and then maybe getting in. Yeah, TG is fudded. I think community takeover soon. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Let's keep an eye on Creamy. Keep an eye on Creamy. Might be one to, yeah, Wally.sui. Where the hell did Creamy go? Well, I'll just go to, I think it's up here now, isn't it? It's not Creamy yet, or it's not trending yet. I believe it's on the, where is it? Age. Creamy, yeah, let's go back here. Okay, so usually straight out of the gate after the first, oh yeah, huge dump. And this could be a good entry. If you believe that this could be a good entry, because if it's going to CTO, then they'll probably push it. I mean, it could be a double or more. Yeah, see, it's going. See, okay. Okay. I think I might just put my money where my mouth is on this. And I am going to grab this. And maybe I'll do a live trade here. Oh, I don't have the money in here yet, so I have to transfer my money. Let's see if I can do this in time and get this going. Because it'd be fun. If we can get a bounce on Creamy, that'd be a lot of fun. Okay, where is it? I am going to withdraw. See if I can withdraw. This is going to take me a little bit of time. Continue. And withdraw max. continue, destination address, continue, then I gotta verify. So I'm loading my account right now in behind the scenes, confirmation code, TFA, so I gotta get my 2FA. Just going, maybe we'll make some fast money, it might be possible. I don't know, these things are really fast, but that's how it works. Okay. It's at 53,000 creamy. This could be a good potential bounce. And I need Bitcoin 583713. 583713. No. 2FA has changed. 9467609466760. Okay, so I finalized my withdrawal, and let's see. Once that shows up, I should be able to trade. Solana is usually pretty fast, so maybe we'll. See, I think 40,000 is usually a floor. I mean, I've seen it go down to 20,000 and still pump, but 40,000 is kind of like a critical floor. So yeah, just if you guys are wondering, we're looking at creamy. I'm looking, yeah, another dump exactly. But sometimes they just pull out the liquidity and then they put it back in, you know, for that pump to try to get more out of the coin, and or not. I mean, this could be a sender. I don't know. It's also unpredictable, and that's why they say it's kind of gambling. If you guys can let me know what you think. But yeah, this could be a watcher. I am waiting for, okay, so my wallet is actually loaded. So I'm gonna buy some of this. Why the fuck not? I don't know. What do you guys think? That's an ugly chart. But this is how it works. I've seen this happen many, many times. And this is it here, creamy, and 55K. So I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna jump in. I'm gonna go for 0.1, see if I can get some. And yeah, I think this is gonna bounce. Okay, so I bought some creamy. I'm in creamy, and let's look at it. Let's look at my profit and loss. No one knows. Definitely gambling. Ha ha ha. Change to 1 second. Okay, I'll change to 1 second. Thanks for the tip. And but anyway, I bought 0.1, so that's like $30 US, and I'm down 3%. Where's the? So that's 6 hour. 1 second. Okay. This could just be like a massive dump, but you usually see a bounce. I guess this is the floor here, 32K ish. This is support level here. It's basically at support, that 50K. So I'm looking for a target. I mean, I'd love to get a double on this up to 100K. And who knows, maybe we'll go back up to highs to 200K for a 4 or 5X. But so far, I am down 10%. So I'm down the fees. And yeah, it's fading. It's fading. But let's see. Let's see. I did it. So I said this is live trading, and you saw it. I did a trade, so let's see what happens. I'm going to get into the Telegram and see what's going on there. Opening web, I think. I mean, I think I already joined, but let's just see what's happening. Tap to verify. Verify. Seems Safeguard doesn't have permissions. Oh, I think they screwed up the configuration of the Safeguard. Yeah, but it was working before. Creamy. Oh yeah, it's probably a CTO. Creamy? Ugh, really bad. That's a bad sign. Yeah, I will probably try to exit this. I don't like that. What's on their Twitter? Creamy. So they do have a Twitter, but that Creamy does not work. Where is it? I guess it is a CTO, eh? Let's see what the dev sold right here. So dev sold 100%. So yeah, probably we'll see if they CTO this. I should get on pump.fun actually. Check this out. Pump.fun and see what's going on with the creaminess. Yeah, we're getting some green here, so that's nice. This could be a good entry on a bounce. I'm just in small, just playing small, looking for double, triple, quintuple, or more. I'll add it to my watch list. What am I looking for? Yeah, it's going up. This is good. I'm looking for that contract. We get the contract from here, and we go to pump. I want to check out the thread and see what kind of interactivity we're getting on the thread. Not that good actually. CTO, it's got 500 boost on deck screener. Yeah, exactly. So they're trying to tell people, oh yeah, I'm not logged in, so I can't even heart these. The team deleted their TG. Yeah, nice. Okay, that's not good. Thanks for the update on that, Gary. But look, it's still ramping, and I am up 10%. So I'm getting the bounce. Do they have? Yeah, they paid for the deck screener. Oh no, they didn't. Oh yes, they did. So this could be a good CTO candidate. I think my entry is not too bad. We're getting that bounce that we wanted, and laugh out loud. My new thing is to study the market. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Well, thanks, Folklore. 5 minutes later, the boost is a bad sign. Oh, is it? Does that mean they paid? I don't know what the boost is. Yeah, so might exit on this, but I don't know. I kind of feel like in this market, we're going to get more pumps on this. Going in on Creamy. Hey, not getting huge bounce yet, but this is going to be the bounce. If it's going to bounce, this is the first floor, it looks like, and it is bouncing. So if we get does the bounce become a pump? That's the question. Yeah, they paid 4K for boost, also right before they rugged. Oh, interesting. So we're up to 58K, and my profit is somewhat negligible. Wow, 20%. That's not bad. I mean, super small position, but yeah. So I'm up like $5 or something stupid, but that's fun. My priority fees are kind of in bribery. It's a little high, but whatever. I mean, what is that? That's like 30 cents, 2% slippage, and I did get filled. So we're up to once. Yeah, I'm making 30% on this. Let's see if I can get 100% on this. If I can get 100% on this, I'll be pretty happy, because that'll be a good live meme coin trade, which is what this stream's about. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Folklore Americans, Bishop Tech, Gary H. Sells, just for being here. All you guys. We got 7 concurrent viewers. Not too bad. I mean, I haven't been online for a while, so I'm pretty happy. And average view duration 10 minutes. Yeah, right on. We are... The fam is in the house. Okay, so we're up to 66K. This type of formation means like small buys, small buys, small buys, small buys. Obviously, it's not like we're looking for a god candle here, and I might exit on that. But yeah, no, we're doing well. 50% on this position. Nice. Is that the bounce? I think 50% up is okay. Yeah, thanks, bro. I mean, hey, 50% is 50%. And let's zoom in. I kind of want to see a little bit. I want to see these. Let's see what happens. See, this type of degree, I don't know. Let's look at the transactions. Do we have any big ones? We want to see some big, like 5, 10. This is good, man. We're going in the right direction. I'm looking for a nice big up candle. Love to know what's going on, if this is CTOing or what's happening. But 55% is not too bad. Oh, getting a sell, but the sell gets bought up immediately. So they're kind of working this. They're kind of painting this. You see that 1.8 in and 1.8 out. That means it could be a volume bot. Yeah. Yeah. So this is kind of the bounce here on Creamy. And all modesty aside, I think I played it fairly okay. That 40K. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's going. Let's go. Let's fucking go on Creamy, man. I'm going to get back to here. Maybe they've posted a new CTO Telegram. Hopefully they did. Fuck, it would be nice to have a nice... here it is. Creamy CTO. Yes, they do have the CTO. That's good, man. That's good. Let's just go there. Let's go there. Join channel. Oh, no, I don't want to join the channel. I just want to verify. Ugh, God. What the hell is this? I don't know what's going on here. Come on, man. Yeah, I got to be careful because this could just dump quick. But if they're CTOing it for real, then that's a very good sign. Oh, verification portal. Oh, see, that's not even... That's not the right link, man. Yeah, I don't know what that is. They screwed it up. They screwed that up. That's not a good link. So I don't like that. I don't like that. I bought the launch, sold at market. Nice. What are we at here? Creamy on Solana, 80 followers. Do we have an update pinned? This was 2 minutes ago, 263. Dev launch and rug Creamy. We scooped up the X account handle they deleted. We will launch a legit project. Stay tuned. Okay, so that's good. W Kitty stays wrapped. Wrapped Kitty? Creamy Solana? That's different. Wrapped Kitty. So Creamy, oh my God, what is this? So now it's Creamy. Yeah, kind of confused on the branding, but whatever. Yeah, so we got to sell. Still kind of grinding. I'm up 37%. Might just exit. Sort of praying. This one's a little chaotic. This one is a little chaotic. But let's see. Let's just look at the transactions. We're getting small transactions, bumps. I believe it's already on. Yeah, it's on DEX already, so it already bonded. But what's going on here? This pattern, I want to see it get back up to 80, obviously, in order for this to seem legit. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm probably just going to get out 30% because we might just get a full dump here. Let's see. Yeah. Should probably sell. That's not looking good. Yeah, I'm going to sell. Yeah, I'm going to sell. Oh, God. Sell it all. Sell it all. Quick sell. Yeah, okay, there you go. I successfully sold. So my profit on that was 22% or 0.02. There you go. Successful trade, guys. Pathetic, but successful. You got to celebrate a win. So that's kind of how you bottom bounce. Like, I made a... You know, I was fucking around, but I guess if I would have sold up here... I was up around 55%, so whatever. Oh, look at this. It's still, oh, look at that big one. So that was a 4.93 buy. Yeah, I might have sold prematurely. Got to kind of keep an eye on this. I don't know if I want to trade in and out on this because this is a critical level, but it is an entry. Profit is profit. Yeah, exactly. Thanks, Gary. Yeah, we should keep in touch. I don't know how you got onto this. If you bought on pump.fun, I'm assuming you probably bought here on pump.fun and then you sold up here. That would be nice. How do we figure out which of these are gonna send from pump.fun. Yeah, where did you hear about it, Gary? And how much did you make? What kind of return? Yeah. So anyway, there you go. There's my 22% profit. There was my buy right here, and there was my sell. So might have sold into this upward ramp. That 45 degrees is really bad. Usually those things go because it means there's small buying, small buying, small buying. So those are retailers. But you want to see those big God candle spikes to show that they're ramping it. All right, well, there you go. So we did a meme coin trade, and I'm up 0.02. So let's see if we can find something else. All right. Creamy looks chaotic because that CTO didn't seem to work because that link did not work. So I guess it was just a bullshit. CTO this. Yeah, see, they're still trying to say CTO it. But so far it hasn't CTO'd. Let's go back to this GLP. See, like this GLP, these flatliners, like you think, oh, it's not doing anything. But sometimes you'll get like a 4x, 3x because the range is so huge that you don't realize like what it's actually doing. See, like look at this. The floor is 100K and then it just like jumps up to 129. This looks like it might go up to 332. Like this could be a triple in, I think, maybe, because I mean, look at how many coins they have. They took it to 54 million. Like this could be an interesting punt. I don't know. What do you guys think? Am I dreaming? Am I wishing? But yeah, it is bouncing. That was a floor. I might even buy some of this. GLP Soul. Let's see if I can get the contract. I'm not used to this Gecko terminal. I might just buy some of this. God damn it, where is it? Oh, fucking hell. Got to get the right contract. Go here. I kind of like that because it's such a huge range. I bet you it's going to pump. Ah, God. Okay. GLP, this is it. And I'm going to get the contract here, 138K. And I might just get a small position in this. Yeah, it looks like Creamy is kind of dumping. They couldn't get that created 1 hour ago. Meteora, yeah, so this is it here. Radium, I think that's it, right? 2 warnings. What are the warnings? This pair has very little liquidity. This is not an official token pair. I don't know. I just want to make sure I got the right one on this. Yeah, this is at 119K. What do you guys think of this? Oh, yeah. See, look at that. Yeah, they're pumping this. I'm going to buy some of this. I'm going to buy some of this. Quick buy. 0.1. That could be just a spike candle, and I could get fucked. But if this thing goes, this thing could be crazy. This thing could be really crazy because this was up to 54 milli. This GLP, it's one of these pump.science coins. But yeah, that's a big sign. I just bought some. Let's see if I got filled. Yeah, GLP. So, yeah, 0.1 on this. Yeah, it looks like it's dumping. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah, they got a lot of money. Oh, God. Okay. This could be a long-term hold. I could be a long-term shareholder on this one. Yeah, that's how they do it. They FOMO you in. But yeah, super unpredictable. Not playing with a lot of money. Basically playing with $30 US. 0.1. Let's see what we can do on this. GLP. Don't like the action. This is from pump.science. Pretty solid domain. And that's kind of why I'm interested in it. This is one of these ones. Let's see if it loads. I'm trying in Brave browser, so maybe it's not downloading stuff. So I'll go to, yeah, I'll just show you where, yeah, this pump.science. 3, 2, 1. Hey, man, we're up to 12. 12 in the chat. Welcome, guys. 13 concurrent viewers. That's really cool. Good to see you guys out. Thanks for joining. Upcoming live 0. Yeah, weird. So pump.science isn't showing these coins anymore. I don't know. I don't know what that means. That might not be a good sign. Creamy is kind of dead for now. Sort of a, yeah. So here we are, 133K. Let's just see if I'm up or down. Yeah, this is nice. It's coming back up. It's recovering. This thing could bloody well explode if they get like big calls or if they just buy it up. I mean, this is crazy. This is a crazy one. Because, like, look at this. Look at how high this went. This went to 54 milli. And, I mean, if you kind of take out the topping tails, you know, so basically 5 milli, it went up to 12 milli, and I'm in at basically here 141K. So if it tested previous highs, that would be 2.8 milli, which would be a 28x. A 28x could be possible on this if they pump it back up to the previous resistance, which is right here. Highly risky, goes without saying, but this is a potential target of 2.4 million from where we're at. Yeah, so it's like flatline trading here. And yeah, not looking good so far. This could just be like aftershock traders getting in and out. I need to get back to this 1 second. I don't know if I can. Yeah, so actually now it's dumping. Oh, I thought that could be a good pump. So yeah, so I lost that profit so far. I mean, this is really choppy, stringy, and more selling. Could be more selling before a big spike. I mean, this thing is just super volatile. And let's check out the socials now. Pump Science. We'll go to Pump Science and tap to verify. Oh, okay, so yeah, that's not good. I don't know why they can't get that right. Ugh. Oh, is this it? So join group. Yeah, they didn't set that up right. So 13,000 messages. Gold trader, Euro, talk nerdy. Yeah, so looks like this is an Asian pump group, maybe. Sending messages not allowed. Yeah, I don't really love that. And I'm down on the position, but I might just hold this because I think it'll probably explode at some point. I guess I'm more or less trapped in this. Was looking for some solid gains, but anyway, what else are you guys watching? Leave a like, guys. Yeah, exactly. Thanks. Yeah, heart to you, smiles. Leave a like. Join the Octagon. We're gonna do some damage there, and we got a group that's that we're building up in there, and we're gonna do some CTOs, and we're gonna do some some more trading. Plus, we have a referral contest, and you can win prizes. It's pretty good. 5 days old. We got 65 members. We haven't done any launches yet, but as you can see, we got a leaderboard, and I'm organizing a referral contest with prizes, probably giveaways of Soul, and yeah, you can generate your score, generate your own link with referral program. So it's worth checking out. Come and join. Say hi if you want, and yeah. Let's make something happen. Let's get some sends. Hunting for a play now. Yeah, keep in touch, Gary. Let me know. Made a bid on that creamy. And yeah, I'm still holding this. I'm going to hold this. I think that this GLP is going to be one that if I hold it and just forget about it, I'm going to log on at some point and it's going to be up like 5x. That's what I think on this. I guess that's what you call gambling, but playing with very small amounts. So, okay, yeah, let's look. Yeah, tell us how you hunt. Always interested in the process. So, Top Solana Calls is one of the channels that I follow, and it aggregates like some of the top callers on SPY DeFi. So like there's 50x's and all this kind of stuff. Pentagon unable to account for 824 billion. Yeah, they got like news and stuff too. So far, not a lot of this guy. LOL Calls is good too. Obviously, it's some of them go, some of them don't. These guys do cabals and they pump their own coins, which is fine because a lot of times they go like 50x, 100x crazy. Zarabro was one of the big ones. They're getting 5x's, but you got to sort of like really monitor and get something like super fresh and get in and really fast. But yeah, so far actually I like this GLP because I kind of think like this is sort of a bottom here and it can spike like so yeah, look at that. See, what was that? Well, that was a 1,000 and then they took it in, took it out. So they're playing with some money here. They're playing with the chart. Yeah, six hole buy, that moves the chart at these levels. And so it's active, like there's volume there and there's money moving around. This GLP, but it's not moving in the right direction. God, it would suck. Well, let's just see. That's my gamble play. Wow. So they're just like really sucking it out. I'm down 25% on this, but that's only 0.02, so whatever, right? Oh, God, now it's really just dumping. So this could go, yeah, could go to 0, I guess. Yeah, what else we got, guys? I'm probably going to log off pretty quick. I think it was pretty fun. We did a live trade. Thanks to Gary H. Sells for talking about Creamy. Sort of showed how we can find together we can find bounce plays and exciting stuff, sharing alpha, sharing research, sharing techniques. Yeah, join my groups and my socials. Follow me on Twitter if you want. And yeah, I like this. I just like this. I don't know why. I got a feeling about this GLP, man. I just feel like at some point it's gonna just like explode, spike. It'll be fast, but they'll probably like totally explode it. And I won't screw it up because I'm only in for 0.1. So, but if you go in for like a soul at this point or more, then they'll be like, fuck that, we're not giving this guy fucking 50 soul on a 50x. So you really got to watch your position sizing on these plays. But I don't know. Anyway, that's going to be a long-term one that we're going to come back to. I don't know why pump.science isn't displaying it anymore. No upcoming experiments and no live experiments. How does it work? Become a citizen scientist. Use pump.trade tokens and compounds. Yeah, so that's sort of fun the way they set that up. Pump.science. Yeah, no, I actually like this chart action. Hopefully this 100K is the floor on GLP, but I'm looking for a big one on this, 20, 30, 40x. I'm probably going to post this in my channel just to record it. And in the Pump Fun Cabal, I'm just going to call it out because, I can get the GLP. And so that'll be recorded. Should be able to see a leaderboard. LB, let's say 7 days. This is in the Pump Fun Cabal. So some guy called out OWCA. Brad Shire did 27x. I called out Momo for 7.2x. Yeah, we got some good stuff in here. No crazy ones, but that 27x is... So Pump Fun Cabal is another one you might want to join. But yeah, let's keep watching this. Inversibra AI, not invert. Inversibra. Inversibra. Okay, I'll look at that. Inversibra. Not invert. Inversibra. Okay. And this is radium. I guess that's the right one. 15K. Wow. Okay. Kind of interesting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. See if you get precise timing on this. You got a triple on this. Kind of tricky. It went up to 1 milli. Yeah, so this is kind of like bottom bouncing. I don't know about this one. I mean, so much depends on if they just decide to call it. If they get, 3-4 calls, I mean, it'll explode. And you're a genius if you got in to a position. But I don't know much about this. Tell me more about Lil Shed. Is that what it is? Inversibra Shed. It's confusing. Is that it? Inversibra. Symbol SHID. Is this the right one, bro? That's not the right one. Okay. Can you post the link? I don't know if... I believe you should have permissions to post the link. It looks... I don't know what's going on with this. You're not getting, a lot of prints going on. There seems to be more prints on this GLP, but not necessarily in the right direction. Could be a patience will be rewarded play. But, yeah, I went in for 0.10. Yeah, I don't know what the Inversibra... I searched for it before. Inversibra. Is that a Pump Fun? Bra. Inversibra AI. This one. The CA. Is this it? Oh, yeah. That's pretty fresh. Yikes. 110 to 300. Yeah, that makes me nervous. These big topping tails sort of mean this could dump again, but I don't know. No socials. I guess that's already migrated. Is this it? I don't know. Yeah, if you're going to call stuff, put the CA in. It's hard for me to find. Let's just check out my watch list. Yes, that's it. Okay, so this is it. So I'll watch list this. Yeah, it could be interesting. Yeah, kind of stringy. I don't know if they got a volume bot going. Sigma. Okay, so we'll come back to that. I'll try Sigma. Waiting for a dip. Okay, nice. I guess this is it. Sigma here. I'm assuming we're all talking Solana plays. 86 milli. Wow, 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 wow. That's pretty crazy. So on something like this, obviously you want to get in on the bottom. I mean, you want to get in here. It didn't get in here. You know, where will this? I wouldn't. I wouldn't enter something like this myself. But I would have to learn more about it. The Sigma Army. Nice. Pretty fun. Zero tax. Mint revoked. Phantom wallet. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, interesting. I'll watch list that as well. Let's see how the GLP is doing. It's kind of flatlining here at 100K. I think this is a Chinese promo. It sort of looks like deadish. But again, I'm just going to leave that there. GNON. 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 Is that pneumogram? I guess that's pneumogram. Interesting. So if you bought off this floor, see, this is what I'm talking about with sometimes these things hang out for, you know, a week on a floor, 5 million floor, and then boom, it goes up to 44 million. That's a 9x. These are sleeper plays, slow cookers. It's an older coin, but look at the high. It was at 192 million. Interesting. Yeah, that's interesting. I'm assuming that's the right one. Thanks for that, GNON. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Yeah, if you bought in on the floor, then that's really nice. See, this is kind of my plan on this one. I bought in on the floor here. What I hope is the fucking floor. But, I mean, like, this is crazy because look at the highs on this fucking thing, man. I mean, the highest tail went up to 54 million. But, you know, that's basically like a wash trade on a volume bot. But I kind of look at this, 14 milli. Anyway, it's in the millis. I mean, they were vibrating around up in the millis, and and then now it's flatlining at 100K. So I mean, they have the capital to take this anywhere they want. 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, 10 million, and that's how I entry. Made some money on Jake. Okay, I'll check out Jake. So I'm hoping that this is going to be an exploder. And just like that GNON, right? See, if you enter GON, everyone's like, oh, it's dead. But, you know, you're entering at 4 milli. And then, boom, money comes in. And, you know, you make your huge multiplier. Gummy is another one. Gummy is another one. Old school Cabal token. This looks like a floor here on Gummy, 4.5 milli. Is this going to go back up here? I kind of think a target would be at 42 mil or more. But it would be a fast in and out. I mean, who knows? I mean, maybe it'll go to new highs at like 300 million. I mean, my theory, which I think is probably pretty accurate, is you have like teams of market makers and like super big whales, and they run like, you know, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100,000 coins, who the fuck knows, and they're rotating capital in and out, and then they pump this one, and then everyone buys, and then they dump it, and then they take that capital and they pump another one that's been sleeping. Like, that's my theory. And so this is why I think this could be a good one, the Gummy. But I mean, it could get old too. Maybe it's just boring. It's not good. I haven't bought it, just to let you know. But yeah, let's look at some other ones. Bra, I think someone mentioned in here. This is interesting. Like off this bounce, 100K up to 395. That's a 4x. Sort of GNON. Yeah, you just mentioned that. We just looked at that. Not bad. And GLP is the one that I got suckered in. So I don't know if I got suckered into it, but I explained my rationale, and you saw it move. Like, they can move this. But I guess maybe it's still in shakeout mode. I mean, I don't like that it's no longer listed on pump.science. That's the only thing. I'll check out Jake. Okay, I'll check out Jake, brother. Janus token? Jake. Jake POL. This one, right? Not Jake the dog? RZLR. What's it at? 31K. So that's probably... I'm assuming it's this one. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's a serious fucking dump. Rug dump. And looks kind of dead. Yeah, wouldn't. But congratulations if you made money on that. That was JT. RZLR. I'll look at RZLR for you, JT. Rizla. 3.4 milli. I'm assuming that's it. Jake lasted like 3 hours. Nice. Yeah, looks like a classic rug. So this is just fucking crazy exploded. Looks like we got a floor of 2 milli on this. Like, precise timing is needed. Pretty good meme, I guess. Or I don't know what Rizzler is. RZ, a Rizzler. Come Mew and look Max with Skibby D. RZL, Rizzler. This kid is Rizzler? These guys are Rizzlers? Mew and looks Max with Skibby D and the Rizzlers. Oh, is this like a family, the Rizzlers? Oh, God. All right. Funny. Let's see. Yeah, interesting. There you go. Don't see like huge moves happening right now anyway, but there's Rizzler. Cool. Thanks for submitting that. And what else we got? Sigma. Yeah, Sigma. We looked at Sigma. GLP. GLP is still flatlining, so that's good. It's not... They didn't totally exit on this. I think I'm in at 140K or something. I think I bought like here, or maybe here, 130K. So this kind of looks like a floor. This might be something. Like I said, I'm just going to leave it in my wallet and check it every day, maybe a couple times a day. But I'm not going to sell until I get into profit on this. I'm going to assume they're not just going to totally dump and exit. You know, something like this you might have to hold for a week or 2 weeks or something, right? Yeah, so that's a long-term one. But yeah, let's see if we can make anything else. See if there's any calls coming in on Solana. Crikey calls, nothing. LOL calls. LOL in the trench. BOF is something they've been promoting. I didn't like it. It was already at like 8 million or 7 million. And I don't know. It's some like... But I mean, yeah, so 1.8 to 1.5, that's huge. That's crazy. Like, that's a nice bounce. Small buy bounce. Yeah, crazy. Like, huge dump. But 5.7 milli. Interesting anyway. That's BOF. That's kind of what they're pumping now. And if it went up to 12 milli, that would be a double. But I personally wouldn't be buying that. My friend told me to buy. I'm not wrong. I'm early. Okay, nice. Nice. Yeah, nice one. Okay, I'm not wrong. I'm early. I'll check it out, brother. I'm not wrong. I'm early. This is Patrick Bateman. Oh, wow. That's a nice direction on the chart. I never know how to interpret this when it just gets frozen up there with no big dumps. But if this is a channel, let's say between here and here, not that you can really analyze too much like this on crypto because it's so crazy. You'd be buying at the top of the channel, so probably would want to buy more here. But interesting. Early. Yeah. Website. They have a website. Interesting. Oh, it's that guy from The Big Trade or something? Or The Big Short, yeah. And then Twitter. Twitter's got 816. Yeah, not too bad. I don't know. I probably wouldn't be getting into that. Let's look at Creamy again, see how badly it's dumped. 39K. So yeah, it's hit that floor again. I mean, this could go back up. You could get a double on Creamy. Probably wouldn't do it myself. I'm waiting for dumps, maybe put some in. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it's tricky. I prefer to look for troughs. You know, like this is a trough, and get in at the bottom of the trough, or, you know, yeah, just like this is a trough, and especially when you have that tight, this is actually called squeezing in trading, when the price is just, or an equilibrium price, like it's not going up or down. That's where I want to enter, and especially if you start seeing action coming in, then you might buy here 7.5 mil, and then, you know, ride it to here for your 5x, or to here for your 10x, or whatever it is, 4x. So I'm looking for troughs. I don't like action like this. Like you're like, oh look, it's going up, and then you buy here, and then it's just dump and chop and dump and chop. I mean, this here would be a trough, a bull, and then, you know, you want to kind of like enter here, maybe 20 mil, and it goes to 50 mil. That's a double. But here, obviously, really when it dumps and flat lines and everyone is like pissed because they got rugged and wrecked, that's kind of where I'd like to enter. Because the cheaper it is, the bigger the multiples on these bounces. Like this multiple here from 5, that's a 9x. But you get in at the wrong time, you get in here at 17, that's only 2 or 3x, assuming you time it right and hold it right. Did I catch Peanut? No, I did not catch Peanut. I've been working full time. I just got back into everything, trading and stuff. I saw it. I heard about it. I heard about the meme, and I thought, oh God, there's gonna be a. Yeah, I saw it break on the news, and I thought, oh, that's gonna be monetized. That's gonna be tokenized like instantly. But I didn't look for it. I've been trading stocks too, so you know, watching Tesla, and yeah. But I'm kind of back into crypto, and I'm back into that. So I'm meme hunting. But yeah, Peanut was crazy, and the original Peanut too. I did call out the original Peanut, which was here, and yeah, this one I was talking about here, and I knew it would come back up. And I did talk about it. So there's basically like a 10x from here. So I was talking about it exactly here. But I don't know. My videos are a little choppy and sloppy these days too. But anyway, yeah, that's an interesting one, because I think this is going to have long-term longevity. It looks like the original and this one. Well, this is the original actually. The one that went to Binance was actually the copy, but that's the one that made it to a Billy. So, but yeah, if this comes back down to 3-4 mil, that could be a good entry. You know, maybe to here, maybe 5 mil, and then maybe it's gonna go to 30 mil. Yeah, so that's on my watch list too. All right, guys, that's awesome, man. What do you think about Fred? I got some info on it and unsure about it. Okay, let's look at Fred. Yeah, well, Fred is the big one, right? That's the raccoon that got kidnapped. Wow, look at that. Crazy, man. Well, what I think about Fred is I wish I would have bought it a week ago. That's what I think about Fred. um, yeah. Is it going to go to 1 billion? Maybe it will. If it goes to 1 billion, that's a 5x. But I wouldn't be playing with anything significant. But big money's gone into it now, so it could be a good one. It could go to 1 billion, 1.5 billion. But yeah, I would, like I said, I think it would be better to get in at 5 million because now you're looking at 40x and then you can just let it ride. Yeah, that's my thoughts on that. Baby Peanut is one that I liked. This is 7 million. Yeah. See, if you get in at 2.6, you can make bounces on this. Yeah, he's peanuts. Right on, man. I'm so glad you guys are here. Thanks for coming out. It's just great to connect with you guys. But yeah, chasing for, I would say for stuff like this, just follow it, because see what happens. Like, it's had such a big move. Like, I don't know. I mean, does it go to 500 million or 1 billion? I do not know. They do that, and the other one did that. The Peanut did. But, Michi is one where, look for the floor. Get in at the floor, 50 milli, because that's a 5x there. And those are ones that they're not going anywhere, so you can hold them. You can just hold them. Just hold them for a fucking year, a month, and kind of forget about it. Just monitor it. Mini is another one like that. So is Peanut and the original and the new and Fred, are they going to turn into long-term plays? Because if they are, then don't be in a rush. That's my advice on that. Let's get back to Fred. Because I'm going to bookmark it, and we'll keep talking about it. Fred. Here it is. So I'll add it to my watch list. Yeah, nice. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We had a total of 71 people in here, which is really, really encouraging, really great. Lots of interaction. Really appreciate your comments and your suggestions. I love looking at researching. We did a live Memecoin trade. I made 20 or 30%. Could have made 50, 55, 60%, but anyway, so that was fun. I'm going to log off. I got to get some lunch, and we'll do this again. Possibly, yeah, every day. And I don't know, maybe once or twice a week. Let's see. We'll follow the markets, and we're going to try and make some money. Okay, guys, peace out. Yeah, thanks, JT. I appreciate that a lot, man. I should do it more often, right? I'm always stressing about writing scripts and making videos and trying to teach, but live streaming is actually way more fun, isn't it? Like, it's fucking awesome. Yeah, right on. Okay, well, thanks for coming out, guys. Follow my Twitter if you want to follow my Twitter. And it's Dave.Crypto. Join the Octagon Cabal. Check out all my links. Come say hi. DM me if you want. Leave comments in the chat. And send me ideas and alpha and invite me to your groups. I love to get involved in groups. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm going to go. I'm going to get something to eat, but it was a lot of fun, man. Creamy streaming. Yeah, bro. Right on. Creamy streaming. That's right. Let's look at GLP one more time. GLP is flatlining. But we're going to come back to GLP. I mark my words. I will make money on GLP because those bastards. Oh, yeah. No, it's dumping. But anyway, I'm holding GLP. I'm holding like $20 in there. $20 in GLP. And that's going to be my retirement fund. Oh, Bishop is doing something.